and it's 10 o'clock. We'll stop this good morning process. We'll start with our lecture. Okay, so last 2-3 I am taking. Vishakha, good morning. Radhika, good morning. Okay, let's start now. It's 10 o'clock. You can see on your screen. It's time 10 o'clock. Okay, so let's start. 12th standard, new year. Before I start with 12th standard, let me say something else also. Yes, Parth, good morning. Okay, chalo, enough now. Now, let's start with the lecture. The first thing I would like to say is, yes, definitely, now, right now, 12th standard. Okay, 12th standard. Now, don't expect this 12th standard exam will be cancelled. Don't expect that. Barabar hai? COVID, they are doing vaccination, and according to the government, they are going to finish entire vaccination, 18 plus total vaccination by December. Both the dose they are saying by December 2021. Chalo, 18 plus age. Okay, December. Even if it is not done 100%, even it is not done 100% vaccination, let's say not done 100%. Anyway, I don't know whether you people know this or not. Anyway, vaccination of 100% is not required anytime. Okay, even 60-70% is fine enough. 70% odd is enough. So definitely by December, this vaccination will get over. And in Israel, they finished vaccination and now their mask is optional. America, they have done 60% roughly, above 55, but less than 60%. And their mask is optional, not compulsory. Pehna hai pehno, nahi pehna hai mat pehno. So similarly, that situation will come. And therefore, don't expect this year exams to be cancelled. In fact, in the second half, if I'm not wrong, we'll meet physically. Physical lectures honge. As and when physical lectures possible, definitely. And even when we'll start with physical lectures, classroom lectures, if any one of you don't want to come for the lecture, those physical lectures will be telecasted live. Record करके रखे जाएंगे, उसी टाइम पे घर पे बैठ के भी देख सकते हैं, बाद में भी देख सकते हैं. समझा क्या what I'm saying? Classroom lectures. When we'll start with this classroom lectures, we have made provision. Classroom lectures, we made provision. You can come to the class and attend physically. Physical attend कर सकते हैं. You can attend from home, or you can get, that is live, okay, physically on live lecture. And then next part is you can get recorded lecture also. My voice is breaking. Is it true? Is my voice breaking? Okay, just give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'll reconnect. Chalo, once I'll reconnect. So anyway, check it out now. What I can do is I can reconnect. I disconnected and connected once again. Okay. So this is what I'm saying. Classroom lectures, definitely. Even me and you must be waiting for this physical lectures. All of us are waiting for this physical lecture. Yes or no? Okay. Once physical lectures start, I don't think people will stay home. And when we start, once we know that is, it is totally safe to conduct lectures, that time we'll have physical lectures. Okay. So few lectures in the second half we'll be having what is known as physical lectures. Okay, that is one thing. The second thing is, Here, all of you, do you have a textbooks of maths? If no, buy them. Government textbooks. Or you can take it from last year student also. लास्ट ईयर के स्टूडेंट के पास से भी ले लेंगे तो भी चलेगा. Anyway, okay, government textbook. I will be solving in a Maths-II. I will be solving entire all exercise, including the last exercise, miscellaneous exercise. Whatever questions there in the book, we are going to solve each and every one. Okay, 100% questions will be solved. But then you should practice those sums at home. So which sums to practice? Same sums. Okay, so you should have a notebook. Don't take screenshots. Do you take screenshots of maths and accounts? You should not. You should have a notebook and you should solve in the notebook. Maths by screenshot you are not going to learn. You will not learn maths by screenshot. Agree? आप मैथ्स स्क्रीनशॉट से लर्न नहीं कर सकते. ओके, एंड ऑलवेज यू हैव रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स एनीवे, सो देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन टेकिंग स्क्रीनशॉट. स्क्रीनशॉट लेके करोगे क्या? रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स है. वे हैव टू कीप दोस स्क्रीनशॉट्स. So many screenshots and arranging them, keeping them in different folders will be a difficult task. So always keep a notebook. Will require a notebook, will require a government textbook. Okay, further, now as you are in 12th, think of ahead also. आगे क्या करना है? What? Just become that graduation, that is graduation plus post graduation, that is MCom. Graduation plus post graduation, MCom. Let me tell you, if you are a good student, you should not think of just post graduation. Let me write here. Option 1, what you have is graduation and stop, full stop, nothing else. Only graduation. Graduation only. Are you thinking only graduating? BCom बन के रुक जाओगे? No way. You should not think of this graduation. आप सिर्फ graduation नहीं सोचना चाहिए. Okay? Why? Graduation in earlier days was fine enough. Some 30 years back, only graduation was okay. Second, then post graduation. What do you mean by post graduation? You know post graduation. What is post graduation? MCom. This is okay. पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करके रुकेंगे. ओके, ठीक है. Okay, even if you are good, you should not think of doing just post graduation MCom. Then sir, what we should do, as you are commerce students, and you should think of the best. Don't go for graduation, don't go for post graduation. Think of professional exams. Now what do you mean by professional exams? I hope you know what is professional exams. Now, here one more thing, third thing is left is you do MBA. Okay. MBA also okay, ठीक है. Better than post graduation. Professional exams. What are professional exams? You know, CA, that is one chartered accountant. Yes. Second, CS, कंपनी सेक्रेटरी.
मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट. प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, CA फाउंडेशन, CS सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, SSC MBA एंट्रेंस, SYJC कॉम, TYB कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ। चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट। कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें। और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान। इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक। तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें। लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी।
Company secretary. Second is company secretary. And third is CMA. Cost and Management Accounting. CMA. Cost and Management Accounting. Chartered Accountancy, Company Secretary, and CMA. Sir, which is good among them? Definitely in the same order, CA is definitely good. And being you are math student always should think of doing CA. Definitely to do CA, you will have to take efforts of 5 to 6 years. You'll have to study for 5 to 6 years. But if you study for 5 to 6 years, okay, your rest of the life will be easy. Rest of your life will be easy. Now, again, let me tell you, rest of the life means what? What is your age now? You are roughly 18, 18 saal, 17, 18, 19, in that range, right? 17, 18, 19, yes, 17 years. So let's take 5 to 6 years. 5 to 6 years means you will become 23. After 6 years also, after 6 years, your age will be 23. So let's take 24 years. 23 to 24 years, your age will be. Normal expected life of a human being is roughly, on an average, I'm saying, some of them can be more, some of them can may have less life, but on an average 75 years. So gap is 50 years, rather 51 years. I'll take it as round figure, 50 years. To have 50 years at ease, कितना पढ़ाई करना है? 5 to 6 years, 10%, and that too when you are young. At present you are young, you can do that. Doing something at the age of 30, 70 is easy, or doing something at the age of 17 is easy. 17 is easy. Okay. Not only that, if you become a chartered accountant or if you do this professional courses, okay, you can have your own office. You can set up your office where you stay near your residence. Like you are staying in Vasai itself, you can have your CA office. No need to travel. If you do this MBA and all, you will have to travel every day by train from Vasai to Churchgate, Vasai to your workplace. And traveling by train is not easy. Even traveling by road also is not easy. Okay, even if you travel by road, that is by car also, it's not that easy traveling. So if you want your life, comfortable life, you should think of this professional courses. Best is CA. Math student, all the math students, those who are good, should do CA. Now in CA, you have that CA Foundation, CA Inter, CA Intermediate, and CA Final, 3 levels. Same with CS also. If you are not good at maths, you are good at theory, then you should think of CS. And if दोनों नहीं करना है, then you should do CMA. Okay. So on the first day itself, sir, this is 12. Why you are talking about CA and all? Don't think of just what you have this year. Think of future. 12 का result लगेगा, then I will think whether I should do CA and all that. No. On result, you should not think. Okay. What we say is result, your result, whatever 12th result. 12th result. Okay. I'll come to that. Harsh. All that discussion slowly and steadily we'll do it. Now, Harsh, chalo, you asked me a question. So let me tell you. Now you can register even in 11th also. Anyone who is past 10th standard can get registered themselves. But you can give exam only after 12th. 11th, 10th के बाद you can get registered. That is, today also you want to register yourself, you can get registered. Okay. But registering today is of no use. देखो आज register करके कुछ फायदा नहीं है. So when you should think of registration after your 12th result. Right now you concentrate mainly on 12th. But mind may at the back of your mind, you should right now concentrate on 12th. 12th exam, if everything is normal, 12th exam, when you expect that 12th exam? 12th exam will be somewhere in February. If everything is normal, I'm talking about. Okay? So 12th exams will be in February. Once that is over, you should do CA registration, CA, CS, whatever. That registration you should do in the month of March. Your exam is over, so you should do registration. So somewhere you can do registration today also. But what is the point in registering today? आज register करके कोई benefit मिलने वाला नहीं है आपको. You can register after your 12th exam and then think of giving that CA foundation. Okay. So that what it is. CA. So when you are studying in 12th standard, don't just think of 12th standard. Think of I have to do something big. कुछ जबरदस्त करना है. I will do CA. I will do CS. Think that right now if you start thinking, automatically you will concentrate on your studies. Okay. Anisha? Okay. So that is what you should do. Plan well in advance. March registration better dosto. March में you will do registration. You are starting CA exams in normal cases again. CA exams are twice in a year. One is May and another is November. Okay, May. Now if you start, let's say you are in 12th. So first you should focus at 12th. So February your exam gets over. So you will get March and April only. Is 2 months enough? I will say no, 2 months are not enough for CA. If you do this, May attempt दे देंगे आप. If you give May attempt and if you fail, unnecessary because you are not prepared fully. 2 month में preparation नहीं होगा. So what is my suggestion? Is go for November attempt. That is, you people should appear for November. This is 21 going on. So 22. November 22. So what you will get? You will get March to November first week is the exam. So March to October. How many months you will get to study? March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. 8 months. Where you can prepare that very well. Okay. 8 months you will get to prepare yourself for your CA foundation or CS, whatever you take professional exam. But जब करना ही है प्रोफेशनल एग्जाम में कुछ अच्छा ही करना है, you should go and think of doing CA. Okay. So now don't think of just graduation or don't think of just MCOM or MBA also. ये नहीं करना है, then you can think of MBA. Okay. Then another point is, if you have any doubt, you want to get anything, this is my number 98201. Those who don't have my number can store this number 98201 44617. Myself is Disa sir. WhatsApp me, I will call you.